Are you having fun? No. Good morning from Disneyland. We're here. We're gonna be doing some breakfast of Red Rose. They open in about 30 minutes, so I think this would be a good time to go ahead and do maybe Mr. Toad's. It said it was a 5-minute wait. I doubt it, but we'll take a look. We'll go try to ride something. We got some time. Let's go. Mr. Toad's was more about a 10 minutes, maybe 15. Wasn't bad. Quick and easy, and always a lot of fun. So sad that I think we're the only park that has it. Should be more copies of it. Fantastic ride. Anywho, should be just about time for a second breakfast. So, let's go. So, we got the Red Rose Lemonade. It's good. It's almost a little bit blended, a little bit more smoothie-like, but it doesn't taste like it has a yogurt to make it thick. But that's good. And then, can you pass down a fork, please? What? Fork. Thank you. We also got the Enchanted pumpkin stuff for Halloween. We'll see how this is. The gray stuff is going good, so. Oh, that's very good. It's got a very nice pumpkin cheesecake in it with pumpkin frosting. It kind of tastes like a pumpkin pie. That's very good. Recommend that.
For us to proceed on our steam-powered journey.
So, obviously doing the Mark Twain, if you can't hear it already. Let's take a look, though, at construction updates for the line for Haunted Mansion and Tiana's Bayou Adventure.
Rio Grande along the border of Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way and even tell you about a legend or two. We begin our trip right here on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans. In the South Lane, there's a city way down on the river, where the women are very pretty and all the men deliver. And music is always playing, start in the daytime, go off in the night. When you hear that music playing, it's where I'm singing, it's alright. Red and bright, come on down, bring your people, we take to the town. Oh, that's the scenic going round, keeps you down in New Orleans. New Orleans is rich in history, music, good
Let's
food,
see.
and ghosts.
Looks like we got some
One of
brickwork
those stories
going
involves
on.
the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999.
Oh, we got
ghosts,
concrete work
ghouls,
going, and it looks like
and they're looking for one
new
more
mausoleums.
If you're brave enough, you should see
Mausoleum?
for yourself after we arrive
Caskets.
back at the landing in Frontierland.
Oh no, fountains, okay. I can't tell if there's lower concrete going.
We're now
Not
passing
much to see
Bowers
from this
Harbor.
side.
This is homeport for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Here's a bit of history for you. The Columbia set sail.
New gift shop has a little,
she rounded Cape Horn.
looks like
and became the
its
first
covering's going up.
American ship to carry
So
the
it's probably getting
Stars
ready to
and
be
Stripes around the world.
planed.
Beyond those levee walls on the port side is the Bayou, future home of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Princess Tiana swears there's magic out there. And wherever you find magic, you're bound to find surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed.
So no water coming down
It's
the
not
flume,
quite finished yet, but
but
we're almost there.
water is flowing in the course.
You gotta make them happy. All depends on you. So I work real hard for each and every day. Things for sure are going my way.
Yeah, no logs running. It looks like a lot of the finished work is going in though, which it should, since I believe cast member preview should be going on, and Magic Keys starts this week, which is interesting because all the construction walls down here look like they're still up, at least around the old Briar Patch.
Try your hand at the Explorer canoes. You can work up a real good sweat rowing one of those around the river. Me, I'll take the comfort of the Mark
We're gonna go
Twain
over
Riverboat
there
any day.
in just a little bit after we're done going around the bayou. Not bayou, Rivers of America. Hungry Bear opens this week too, with its new menu.
We love you.
Looks like there's going to be some new posters and such, which I'm curious to see what those are closer, but we can't get there yet. We'll definitely be trying it, maybe the next week. Maybe we can come Sunday. That's a nice little mural back there for the logo.
Rivers of America, you're in for a real treat. I've been navigating these parts for years now.
It is.
A sign of peace. That means we're all clear
Water.
as we head up the Missouri.
That is what I think we're pointing at. Water.
Plains Indians.
Are you having fun? No.
Another duck?
Always nice, relaxing. That shack used to be on fire. No longer burns. Why? That's a good question, actually.
It's probably a lot to put it out every day and reset it on fire every day.
Absolutely has nothing to do with probably the amount of gasoline they went through, or not gasoline, but just gas they went through to burn it all over and over again.
Is a wise old shaman sharing a story for all of us to hear. He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a
You want to go back downstairs?
and turn it into that
Yeah, okay.
wondrous.
Rumor that I've heard, be it true or not, it is a rumor, that's all we're going to say, is this used to be Walt's private bar before they were working on like Club 33. Which is why you got a bar top. Or do you want to wander? You can walk. We'll walk with you.
I have to.
You have to. You're attached to her, and it is your child, so.
Close eye on the riverbeds. There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain lions, and other wild.
I'm coming. I'm right here. Woo. We just came from upstairs. We can go downstairs. Do you want to go back down? Do you want to go downstairs?
Want to go see Mama and Papa?
This way.
Come on.
So, the new queue.
I wonder how much flume they change.
I like the murals. Those are cool. Entrance arch. So this is the lightning lane. I'm gonna guess this is gonna be single rider. And then the standard. And then the new color of the barn.
Not in those bags.
Okay, we're entering this way while we go by and try to skip over Tigger taking photos. This is where photos used to be sold. Let's see. So based on the Florida one, this is the truck for Tiana's Foods. There's our exit. I think that area is now closed off because that used to be an area to sit. But it's now just employees only, it says back there. So we continue over here to Lewis Critter Club. I like that sign. That's cute. I wish the trumpet though spun. Looks like it's just stationary. We got Lewis Critter Club performance Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with Mondo and his bongos. This frog is the Cat Pajamas. Lewis Critter Club presents live Claude and the Burnett's. So it's interesting. It seems almost like we may be getting a different version of the story that they're already all banned and such. Oop. Timoline, the Bayou Company Band. It's time to cut a rug with Timoline. Lewis Critter Club, nightly jazz music. Come swing with the king. Bayou Band concert series, Lewis Critter Club featuring Bew, Timoline, Fina, Apollo, Octavia.
It's even more casual. People show up in like shorts and stuff. Like,
Really?
Josso wears some like band t-shirt and like a.
Catch an earful at Lewis Critter Club, Firefly 5 plus Lou. Calling all Hoovers and Helpers, come shake your games with the stars of the week. Let's see. I doubt we're gonna see anything else inside. Oh, we got another poster right here though.
Oh, you're welcome.
Good look, guys.
All right.
And no, this side's blocked. Just had lunch at Splitsville. There were people up there, so we didn't want to go ahead and disturb anybody else. Put pictures up. We got fantasy sushi? Phantom sushi? Sushi. We got the matcha nachos, the loaded fries, the pot stickers, and the sliders. Let's keep you in frame. All of it was fantastic. I did not try the sushi, can't speak on that. However, everybody else at the table did have that and said it was fantastic. Definitely will be coming back again. This is the second time, no, fifth time we've been at Splitsville. Always very good. With that, this video we're gonna call to an end where we are going to head home, edit this, and get ready for going back to work because that's tomorrow again, like every week. Anywho, if you made it this part of the video, be sure to like and subscribe and comment the word sushi. That's relevant enough to the episode. Anywho, it's been real, which means it's been fun, which it's been real fun. Till next time, guys. See you later.